You just bought a new PC and you're thinking, whoa, it's an incredible machine. I can do whatever I want on it. So you have decided to do some video editing stuff, and congratulations, because you have tried to do something on your machine. You checked other things for the editing and now you need good software for editing, right? So let me give you some suggestions on your future non-physical body that will help you from every hassle you would suffer, from every workaround you would do during the editing phase. So here are my 5 best video editing software on PC. By the way, I've tried to make this video well formatted for you to understand it correctly as well as I can. So a like to the video would make my work easy peasy. Enjoy the show. So number 5, we have CyberLink PowerDirector. It's a half pro and half noob editor. Not great for the pros, but the noobs can try to just learn something and test them. Let's talk about some of the things that it can do. At 4, we have HitFilm Express. It is best for beginners who are interested in VFX. It offers a free beginner-friendly editor with advanced visual effects too. Let's talk about some of the things that it can do. And now we have that DaVinci Resolve. That is the best for video editing at free in the world. And man, the color grading of it is just best on the market. So let's talk about its standout elements. It is a more advanced tool and it offers combined professional video editing, color correction, visual effects and audio production, and again, it is best in the world for free video editing too. In the second position, we have Final Cut Pro. But if you're on Windows, oh boy, then skip this part because this is only Mac exclusive app and you can tell it from seeing the word Pro on it. Let's show the other things as fast as possible. It is best for mostly Mac users who wants professional level editing in an optimized way, and also an Apple fanboy who only wants Apple software. It is most discussed for compatibility and seamless integration with Apple hardware. At the first one, we have one and only the Adobe Premiere Pro. It is the industry-leading software for professional and advanced users, and you are not that because it would make no sense to watch this video. Let's talk about some of the things that it can do. Its key features that is it supports more complex editing projects. Also, it is an app from the Adobe CC, aka Adobe Creative Cloud package, and that's why it has seamless integration with other Adobe apps like After Effects and Photoshop among. So, my final thoughts are the best video editing software depends on your needs and skill level. So, for professionals, you can choose Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, and for color grading, you have to choose DaVinci Resolve, obviously, and for beginners, HitFilm Express is a good choice. For the hobbyist, CyberLink PowerDirector, it is also in favor, and some other apps are in the market you can also try.